As a business owner, I'm always thinking 5 years ahead. Stay tuned in this video as I'm sharing with you what I'm doing to accomplish 5 years at a time instead of focusing on today. Welcome back to my channel. This is a different video. This video we're talking about achieving goals and setting yourself for success instead of just trying to figure out what to do on a daily basis. You're thinking 5 years ahead. So let me share with you how when I'm really building a business, I'm thinking of 5 years from now, and I'm not really thinking about, okay, I need to accomplish right now something. I'm thinking about, no, let's look at the bigger picture. So I'm going to be sharing with you some ideas and some tools of what keeps me aiming for higher goals and aiming for the success that I'm desired. Let's talk about the goals for a second. If any agent, doesn't matter what career you're at, you need to have certain goals. In my case, I have weekly goals, I have monthly goals, I have a yearly goal, and I have 5 years term. Something to work towards. If my goals are so small that I achieve them easily, it doesn't keep me motivated. So what I have done, and I have shared with my team, that we know we have crazy goals, insane goals in a way that I know are hard to achieve. But I truly believe that if you have big goals, you work towards it. And if you don't achieve them, it's not a big deal, but at least you stretch yourself, you challenge yourself to achieve those goals. And this is something that I want you to consider as well. So those who know me, they know that I donate money to the Sick Kids Foundation. And there is this thing that I was thinking a while ago with my team was, what if we set ourselves to donate $1 million to the Sick Kids Foundation? Which means we set ourselves for the next 10 years to donate $1 million. Yes, I know it's crazy, it's a big goal, but at the same time, when you know that you need to save up $100,000 a year, which could be a salary for a lot of people, but if you tell yourself, I'm going to donate $100,000 a year for the next 10 years to the Sick Kids Foundation, you now have your mind set on a clear goal of what you want to achieve. I know it sounds like, how do I donate $1 million? But when you go backwards and you figure out a way to generate the money, the goal itself is there and you need to work towards it. And this is something that I've been doing for quite some time now. I said to myself, I'm going to donate $1 million over the next 10 years. Which means that I need to start saving up money. So every transaction that I make or over the year, the goal is whatever goal you might have, but you tell yourself, okay, I'm going to donate 10% of it to the charity of that I actually believe in. And that's how you accomplish it. But you need to have such a strong goal, that something that will empower you, something that will make you want to wake up in the morning and say, let's go, I'm ready to hit it, I'm ready to work, because I have a stronger goal, I have a belief that I need to donate money. In my community, we do believe that donating 10% should be the number. You might have a different number. Even if you can't donate money, at least donate your time. But that's something that helps you feel great about yourself and you're helping the community. Me personally, one of my biggest goals that I really wanted to achieve by 2025, and it's written everywhere. Now that I'm officially have my own brokerage under sub-brokerage of Remax Realtron, the next goal I wanted to achieve was to have a physical location. And some people say, why would you want a physical location when everything is now going virtual? In a way, you're right, but at the same time, there is something special about helping clients. In my job in real estate, we're always face-to-face with clients. So even though there is technology out there, there is a lot of websites, including Zillow, Realtor, and there's many other websites that help you find a home. But it will never be, and I will say, it will never be changed with this face-to-face interaction with people, because real estate is such an important aspect, and it's so expensive for a lot of people that they just need to feel that they're working with you, they connect with you. so a computer or website, none of it will ever change the conversation that you're having face to face. So imagine, you and I are having a conversation right now over YouTube. You know it's not the same if you were to meet with me in person. So make sure you comment below if you do wish to meet me in person. I'm always available. I'm here for you for whatever reasons you need. But let's talk about this goal that I have had by achieving by 2020, 2025 now actually, is that the physical location is that something that drives me forward and it makes me want to work harder and harder because I know I have to reach this goal, but that goal is many years ahead of us. Like, you know, in reality, we're now in 2020, 5 years from now, but every day I'm working towards it and I'm putting money aside and I'm creating a business plan and I'm learning more about renting a retail location, about hiring staff, about having this retail physical location. As long as you're learning and you're advancing every day and you're trying to learn what does it take to actually have a physical location, that's something that something that empowers you and empowers me because we're working towards it. So imagine this. 4 months ago, I wake up in the morning and I say, I need to have a YouTube presence. YouTube has been here for quite some time. I missed the boat. I did not have a YouTube channel 10 years ago. I only started about 2 years ago, but really focused on developing YouTube for the last few months. And I told my team members that I want to achieve 1,000 subscribers and to go over 12,000 hours of watch time. I know it's crazy, right? But at the same time, if you don't have something concrete, if I had a goal of achieving 100 subscribers, it's achievable. It took us about a few good weeks to achieve that number. We're now that number, but I'm asking myself, okay, what's the next thing? The next step is 1,000. From 1,000, it's going to be 100,000, and then it's going to be 1,000,000. But that's what it takes. You need to have certain goals. You need to have a date by which time you're going to accomplish them. You need to be able to measure up. You need to ask yourself, and I know I drive my team crazy all the time, every day, because I'm so obsessed with the results that I want to be able to achieve this. And I'm asking myself, what does it take to achieve 1,000 subscribers? Is you subscribing right now, adding value, and give me some feedback. Let me know if you like those videos because we're here to produce more and more videos. So let's talk about personal goals as well, because this is definitely an important aspect. I've been working so much that I sometimes forget that life is not all about work. And I will encourage you to understand this well. I'm now in my 30s, 34 in reality. And I realized that there is more than just the business. There is the family. There is the baby that I have right now. You want to make sure that you work hard, and whenever you're working, you're putting all the work that you can possibly put. But at the same time, remember that you also have a family that is there for you and that they support you. But make sure that you devote time for them as well, because without your family, you would not be able to be where you are right now. So the personal goal, and I keep talking about it with my wife, and I tell her that I am obsessed with the results and I'm really trying to accomplish something good for us that we can enjoy. But at the same time, I know when I need to take the time off to spend quality time with them, and I know that there are certain times that I just disconnect from technology completely. You will not be able to see me on my phone or computer because I just know that this is now my time to spend with my family, and I will encourage you to do the same. Learn to disconnect from technology. Make sure that you spend quality time with your family because there is no way to go back. We are only going forward. And the more forward you go, which is great, but you cannot spend the time with your family if you choose not to do. So make sure that you do. Work is not everything, money is not everything, family is everything. So let's talk about my dreams, because I mean, you've been seeing me, like, you know, throughout the series, I've been just creating, and I've been on business for about 2 years. I had a goal of accomplishing and creating my own brokerage. Now that I have my own sub-brokerage under Remax, I'm now developing a team. Not necessarily with more salespeople, but with more great creative people that can help me take my dreams and my goals to accomplish the next task. So we're now developing the YouTube channel, we're developing an Instagram channel, Facebook channel. We're really trying to create something that is a long-term beneficial. Yes, it takes years to develop, but we're working toward it so fast that you're now seeing 3 videos a week being produced on YouTube, because we're seeing what we actually do for others. And when people message me all the time and they say like, thank you for being who you are because you inspire us, this is my goal, and I hope this video was able to help you out. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below, share the love, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.